Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a digital art or digital card, birthday card with Picsart. So here you can access Picsart web by type picsart.com on your browser, and don't forget to sign in with your account. You can sign up, you can register if you don't have one. So after that, this is the home interface, the first page. And in order to create a birthday gift card, you can try to click this new project with the plus icon, and here you can choose your aspect ratio. If you are confused how many width or height that you can adjust, so you have to use this template. For example, you can create or search the template here. So maybe poster, flyer, logo, and so on. Or just try to create new project first. You can change in editor interface. Here you can close this, and here we go. So here you can try to change the best ratio. For example, you have to choose the greeting card, this one, or invitation, same ratio. And here you can try to search the birthday theme under the templates. For example, birthday cakes. And here we go. This is the templates that you can try. For example, this one, birthday celebration. So you can just click this template and wait for the process here. And here we go. This is the template, this is the design. So you can try to rename, for example, with your name here. Just double click this and try to rename with your name. Agnes, for example. And here you can try to redesign or reposition, and of course you have to change the date and the place and the number, reservation number here. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.